name is Ron Jared G. Pagsibigan. I live at 12 Morning Glory, St. Ignacio Bill 3, Talibapa, Quezon City. My mother name is Rowena Pagsibigan. My father name is Jerome Pagsibigan. And I have one little brother, and his name is Rap Jerome Pagsibigan. I started school when I was 4 years old, and my school name is Kindergarten School. I only spent my nursery to prep school year until my prep parents decided to transfer me in BSCS. And now I'm, I'm studying here until now. If you ask me about my health, I think I don't have any sick because I'm having an exercise every day. I'm eating vegetable and healthy foods. My hobby is playing sport. Speaking of sport, I love playing basketball inside or outside of our house, with alone or with my friend, browsing Facebook and playing Diddy Tank or Dota in my computer. Thank you for listening.